We interrupt our scheduled programming due to unforeseen circumstances. Please stand by for further information. A few moments ago, an armed suspect broke into the BBC headquarters. The suspect proceeded to shoot anybody in its path. They are currently at the entrance, and police have not come yet. The suspect carries a firearm and also wears a black mask. It is unknown how they have obtained the firearm. That is all the information we have right now. Please stand by for more updates. Please stand by for further information. The suspect has now entered the building, and they have shown no sign of stopping. Multiple people have been wounded. The intentions of the shooter are not clear, but we are doing our best to evacuate everybody inside the building. Please stand by for further information. We are sad to announce that there have been 3 confirmed deaths due to the shooter. The victims were rushed to the hospital and passed away a few seconds ago. We all mourn for the loss of these people. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families and friends that have been affected by this. We will continue to keep you all updated. Please stand by for further information. Unfortunately, the shooting has not stopped. The police have just shown up to the scene to take action on this matter. Almost everybody has been evacuated from the building or have sadly not been able to get out. As the police enter the building, we expect this to be dealt with as soon as possible. Please wait for more information as this story develops. The police have been gunned down, and the shooter has continued their brutal rampage and is going through the BC headquarters. The police have been gunned down, and the shooter has continued their brutal rampage and is going through the BC headquarters.